In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed or add music player in GoDaddy. If you want to showcase a track or a playlist on your site, this walkthrough will make it simple. Before you begin, make sure you have your SoundCloud embed code copied to your clipboard so you can paste it in when prompted. Start by opening your GoDaddy dashboard for the website you want to edit. From there, enter the site builder by selecting Edit Website. This takes you into the live editor, where you can change content and layout. Navigate to the page and spot where you want the music player to appear. When you see the insertion point, click the plus icon to add a new section. You'll notice that plus icons can appear between existing sections or in the sidebar, depending on where you're working. When the section library opens, look for the category labeled Audio and Video. This area is designed for media elements, so it's the quickest way to get to players and embeds. Choose Audio to open the audio-specific options. GoDaddy provides different audio layouts, but for a SoundCloud player, you'll want the option that explicitly supports embedding from SoundCloud. Select Embed a track or playlist from SoundCloud. This option creates a section that's ready to accept an embed code and renders a native SoundCloud player right on your page. Once the section is added, a settings panel appears on the side. Find the field labeled SoundCloud Embed Code. Click into that field and paste the embed code you copied from SoundCloud. If you're using a single track, the player will show that track. If it's a playlist, visitors will be able to browse the tracks within it. After you paste, the editor will generate a live preview so you can confirm the player looks correct. If the player doesn't appear, double-check that you pasted the full embed code from SoundCloud's share options and that it includes the iframe. Also ensure the link uses HTTPS, which most modern embeds do by default. You can adjust the section's placement by dragging it up or down and fine-tune spacing or headings using the section settings so it blends with your site's design. Keep in mind that most browsers block autoplay, so visitors will press play to start audio. That's it. Your SoundCloud player is now embedded in your GoDaddy site. Review the page to make sure everything aligns, and when you're satisfied, your changes will be ready to go live the next time you publish your site.